I just came across a YouTube channel that is making $40,000 a month. And when I went and researched the numbers, I found something crazy. They have a collective of over 1 billion views on their channel and are consistently pulling in 500,000 to 2 million views per video. If we take these numbers into account, we can all agree this is not luck, but rather a well-executed strategy. I studied every single aspect of this strategy and found out this niche is perfect to start in right now. And guys, this is not just another brain rot video from a random guru. I will actually show you what blueprint they are using to go viral almost every single time they upload. But this will only work if you watch this video all the way to the end and not miss any important steps along the way. It will all make sense at the end of the video when I'll show you the final result. So grab a coffee, lock in, and let's get started. First things first, let's create your channel. Head over to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and select Switch Account. Then click View All Channels and hit Create a Channel. Now, you'll need to come up with a channel name, and the easiest way to do that is with Chat GPT. Just ask it to generate a list of catchy names for a horror or scary stories channel. Pick the one you like best and copy-paste it into the channel name box. Do the same for the channel handle. You can also ask Chat GPT to write a short, engaging description for your channel and paste that in as well. Next, let's make a logo that stands out. The best AI tool for this is Leonardo AI, and don't worry, as always, I'll drop all the links in the video description. Once you're in, click Image Creation. Set the image dimensions to square, and choose the Leonardo Phoenix preset. Then, go back to Chat GPT and ask for a logo prompt. Copy the prompt, head back to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Once the image is ready, pick your favorite, download it, and upload it as your channel logo. Congrats! Your AI-generated logo is set, and somewhere far away, a graphic designer just shed a single tear. Next up, we need an engaging script, which is probably the most important part of the video. The easiest way to create a script that will give us a shot at going viral is to borrow from a proven blueprint. In other words, we'll take inspiration from a video that's already done well on YouTube, and we'll do this with the help of DubDub. They offer a free trial, and I've linked it below. First, find a viral video, click the share button, and copy the video link. Then, head over to DubDub, paste the link in, and within a few seconds, you'll have the script ready. But here's the thing, we can't use the script as is because we need to keep it original. Let me show you how to do that. Copy the script, head to Chat GPT, paste it in, and ask it to completely reword and restructure the script so it keeps the same story but isn't exactly the same. Alternatively, you can ask Chat GPT to generate a similar story with a few tweaks. Kind of like that time you didn't do your homework and you copied it from a friend last minute and just changed the answers slightly. Now, let's move on to turning that script into a smooth, professional-sounding voiceover. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs, which, in my opinion, is hands down the best AI tool for creating voiceovers. As always, you'll find the link below. Now, the next step is to pick a voice that matches our narrative. After considering all options, I believe Ingmar is the perfect choice for our project. Once you've selected the voice, head over to text-to-speech and paste the script we created with Chat GPT. Then, just wait a few seconds, and boom, let's listen to what we've created.
There once lived a boy who didn't quite fit the world's rhythm. While others danced to noise and bustle, he found solace in stillness. He didn't crave crowds or attention. In fact, the sound of silence was his favorite song.
Fire. And finally, of course, don't forget to download the voiceover. Now let's move on to the visual part of the video and start creating AI images. We'll be using Leonardo AI, but before that, we need to generate prompts. Since Leonardo AI needs clear instructions for image generation, we'll head back to Chat GPT to create engaging prompts that complement our script. Just use this simple prompt, and in a few seconds, you'll get 25 ready-to-go prompts. I'll include all the Chat GPT prompts in the description to save you time. Just like always, once you have your prompts, go to Leonardo AI, set the image dimensions to 16 by 9, and choose Cinematic Kino as the model preset. Copy the first prompt from Chat GPT, paste it into the prompt box, and hit generate. Repeat the process for the rest of the prompts. As you can see, Leonardo AI has created some fire visuals for our video. Now, just pick the ones that look best and download them. We'll need them in the next stage, where I'll show you how to put everything together in CapCut. All right, let's get everything together. Open CapCut and upload all the AI images and voiceovers. Once that's done, grab the voiceover and drag it into the workspace. You'll notice there are a lot of pauses, which could affect your video's retention, so we need to trim out any unnecessary silences. Zoom into the voiceover a bit, click where the pause starts, use the split tool, then position it at the end of the pause and split again. Delete the silent part, and then connect the voiceover sections back together. Repeat this throughout the video. Just don't overdo it. Some pauses are important for dramatic effect, especially in a scary story like this. Now, let's add the AI images. Start with the first one and position it at the beginning. The easiest way to set the duration for each image is to listen to the voiceover and match the images to the pacing of the audio. So, listen closely and add the images one by one to fit the voiceover. To make the video more engaging, we'll add some motion effects, transitions, and image effects. Start by adding motion to the images. There are a lot of options, but I think the play pendulum effect will work great for this video. Just drag it onto each image and adjust the settings on the right until it looks good. Next, we'll enhance the images with some darker, scarier effects. Search for dark or scary effects and choose one that fits. Apply this effect to every image clip. For smoother transitions between clips, add something like black fade or black smoke. These transitions really complement the eerie vibe of the video. Once you add those, the video will start coming together nicely. Now, let's add some shadow to give the video that extra scary atmosphere. Choose the adjustment tool and drag it into the workspace, then extend it throughout the entire video. To set up the shadow, head to the right side, scroll down, and find the vignette setting. Set it between 10 and 20 for the best results. Next, let's add captions, which are key for viewer engagement. Thankfully, CapCut has an AI tool that automatically generates captions. Open the text menu, click on Auto Caption, wait a few seconds, and voila, your captions are ready. But, since we want to make this video stand out, let's make the captions more eye-catching. Open the text templates on the right, choose one that fits the vibe of the video, and apply it. CapCut has lots of cool templates, but we'll pick one that matches the spooky theme. For the final touches, we need background music and sound effects. For these, we'll use Pixabay. They offer a huge selection of royalty-free soundtracks and effects, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues as long as you follow their licensing terms. Download the soundtrack and sound effects and import them into the workspace. Adjust the volume of both the voiceover and the music so that neither overpowers the other. You can easily adjust the levels on the right side to find the right balance. The link to Pixabay will also be in the description. Once you're happy with everything, the last step is to download the video. Make sure to select 4K 60 FPS for the best quality, and that's it. Now let's take a look at what we've created.
Title: The Boy Who Loved Silence. There once lived a boy who didn't quite fit the world's rhythm. While others danced to noise and bustle, he found solace in stillness. He didn't crave crowds or attention. In fact, the sound of silence was his favorite song. At school, he spoke softly, if at all. Teachers misunderstood him, thinking he lacked confidence. Classmates mistook his quiet for weakness.
Boom, it looks great. If you found value in this video, Subscribe to gain access to cracking the social media code exclusively on Mastery Manuals. All useful links will be in the description below. I've got more videos just like this, filled with value and knowledge to help you on your journey. Check out the videos popping up here, and keep building on what you've learned. And I'll see you in the next one.